Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2955th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, trading is extremely risky. This video is for trading on Wednesday, 8/13. This chart is what happened on Tuesday, 8/12. If you are looking at this chart, what you are seeing right now is something that I need to show you. Risky, risky, risky. Trading is risky. Never trade without stops. Put them in first. You always hear me reiterate this warning to you, right? There's a reason for this because I want to help you and I want you to survive in this business. I started in the business in 2000, well, excuse me, imagine that, in 1982. I'm still in the business today. I've survived. Do you know why? I'll explain it to you right now. The Russell 2000. This chart is to show you the importance of using protective stops to, one, preserve equity, two, to survive as a day trader so that you can trade another day or fight another fight, if you will. What does that mean? I always say put your protective stops in, put them in first. You always hear me mention that. What you're looking at is an OMNI trade that happened today, and we got stopped out. 44 years of trading, I got stopped out cold today. 22.39, this blue line, we were getting short. We had our stop in already right here. Sensible stop, not too far away, was in before the move took place. We got in, our stop got hit, and look at how far it kept going. We were short. Buy stop got hit, and look at how far the damage would have been had we not placed our stop and placed it first, because we always make sure the stop is in before we get into a position. But you see how that saved me this much equity. All the way from here to here, I was saved. My account did not get destroyed. Your account, if you followed OMNI, did not get destroyed. Why? Because we know the golden rule. Place your stops, your protective stops, whether they're buy stops or sell stops. Place your stops and place them first before getting into that live position. We were short, we got stopped, and it exploded after we were out. Thank the Lord and thank the OMNI for sensible stops. Please heed the warning. Put your stops in. Don't let that happen to you. What else are we looking at? Check these two charts out. I think you're going to like them. Crude oil. As you know, we've had a target since the 77 mark was put in somewhere over here. We started broadcasting targets. 55. Boom, we hit 55.12. I mean, that's a pretty darn good call from the 77s. And the next target is 47.50. And look what's happening here. You have an enormous wedge, descending wedge. Apex is here. Pennant flag, if you will, but it's descending, which means the bottom should fall out, and it did do that. Then it tried to run back up, ran a few stops, back down, and here we are again. Below this is not good for crude. If you're a buyer, it's fantastic for crude if you're a human on this planet, because if you buy a product, if you move a car, if you do anything at all, unless you are 100% EV from every part of your life, which is impossible right now, this will help you, it will help the markets, it will help everybody overall. Just day trading only, looks like crude can be a short, target remains valid. Then we move out to another very interesting market, Ethereum. Crypto traders, check this out. We talked about this big flag for weeks on end. We finally broke out of the flag and left the gap. Then we discussed maybe it'll fill the gap, but now we have kind of proof it's become a breakaway gap. That means I can target this bad boy. Your next target for Ethereum is 6,500. That's where we should get to before the next cool-off period. Nothing goes straight up, but that's the target I am offering you because that's the target I'm looking for myself. I hope this helps. I hope my warning about stops and you seeing that action Please put your stops in first. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, if you never use stops, but now you're going to start using them, if you were unsure, but now this made you sure, or if you're someone who always uses stops and this just reiterated that you're correct for doing that, please leave your comments below this video. Let me know what you're doing with stops. Be honest. If you don't use stops, please tell me. I'll write back to each and every one of those comments, and I will see if I can help you in any way I can. Good luck trading. Come to livewithoscar.com if you want to hang out with me in my free live trading room. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.